Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today we're going to be introducing you to Cometic Gaskets. Newest brand here at Thoroughbred Diesel is Cometic Gaskets. Now, Cometic Gasket is a family-owned, American-based company. They're based out of Ohio, so these are American-made products. Their whole gasket series is. We're very, very proud to offer Cometic here at Thoroughbred Diesel. And when we get a new brand in at Thoroughbred Diesel and we bring it into the warehouse, one of the first things that we'll all do is we'll all go over, check out the product, and just put our hands on it and check it out. And for me, one of the first things that hit me about all of the Cometic gaskets, everything that I looked at, was the quality of the packaging and the overall quality of the product. Like, this is a 5.9 head gasket that we're showing you here today. This head gasket itself is when you pick it up, it's very heavy, multi-layer steel. You can just look at it and go and know that this is a superior head gasket to some of the other offerings that are out there on the market. So if you are in the market for a head gasket for your light duty diesel truck, we ask you to consider Cometic that we have here at Thoroughbred Diesel. Now, I want to talk about some of the technical attributes of a Cometic head gasket. Again, I'm going to talk about this 5.9 head gasket here today. This is for the 98 to 02 5.9 Cummins in the Dodge diesel trucks. This is a multi-layer stainless steel gasket, 5 layers to the gasket. Now, with Cometic head gaskets, and I can say this for all of the light duty offerings, they offer them in various different thicknesses. So you're going to have to either, if you're doing the build yourself at home, you're going to have to get correct measurements on your block and head to make sure that you're running the correct gasket. If you've sent your block and head off to a machinist, or just the head or whatever it may be, if you send it to the machinist, you want to confer with your machinist and ask him what is going to be the correct gasket thickness for you to use, because again, you have the choice with Cometic as to what thickness that you want to use. Now, like I was saying, this is a 5-layer gasket on the Cummins head for the 5.9. The outer layers are coated in viton and embossed for a superior sealing quality that you're going to get on various surfaces, well, on all surfaces. With the gasket itself being embossed, the torque value that you're going to go to is going to create the sink surface, so you're not going to have to increase the torque on that to get a better seal that would distort the cylinder bores there. The middle layer of this gasket on the 5.9 Cummins gasket is actually folded back on itself, and that actually creates a cylinder lock around the individual cylinders there, keeping the combustion gases where they're supposed to be, and just creating another seal inside of there. Stainless steel in a multi-layer steel gasket is resistant to corrosion, and it's resistant to memory, so it's just it's just a good gasket. It is a good gasket. So if you're out there, you're looking for another head gasket, perhaps you've already had the head off of your truck once, you had another head gasket failure for whatever the reasons are, and you're going back and you're going to do a different sequence of events, and maybe even looking at some different products to use for the job, we would definitely suggest that you check out Cometic and the line of gaskets that they have. Now, we have head gaskets by themselves, we have top end gasket sets, we have bottom end gasket sets, we have different ancillary gaskets from Cometic. Light duty diesel, they have it very, very well covered, very high quality stuff. Again, this is the 5.9 head gasket for you 98 to 02 guys, so we definitely wanted to show you that. Just really good product in Cometic. So if you have a question about head gaskets or Cometic gaskets or at all, just give us a call, and we appreciate you watching. Thank you.